Hi everyone. Uh, I will show you one task today. So the task is derive the cost price column using the sales quantity profit columns as is shown in the figure. Right? Let's understanding this requirement. What is that? Okay. Let's start in the practical. In the Power BI desktop. Okay. Just open the Power BI desktop and just go to table U. We can write one formula. So that is already I given this formula. Again, I will show you how to write that. Okay, just close it, this thing. Okay, and take new column. It takes some time, right? So let's wait and just write what is the let's understanding the first what is the requirement, right? Derive the cost price column using the sales quantity profits column has a shown in the figure, right? Okay, first give the column name. What is the column name is cost price. Okay, cost price. I will give already that name, right? Okay, don't give same name. Okay, just add a one and write. What is the cost price? It means like how do we write a calculation field? Just type sales sales data sales minus sales data profit. ఈ రెండు we can close bracket both are and multiply by sales quantity. Okay, just click. We can get the answer like that. Okay, so just go to requirement document and see this is the cost price. So we can write the DAX function like that. You will get result that one. Okay, I hope you understanding that.